Hello, I'm Kim. Welcome to my channel, Finding My Muse. On today's Wednesday Wanderlust, come with me for a stroll through Ellis Creek Water Recycling Facility in Petaluma, California. I'm always trying to shoot better video, so today I busted out my mobile gimbal to try and learn how to use it better. As the video clearly shows, I have a lot of practicing to do. There's been so much going on in my life, I really want to be able to share more. So I look forward to the day that I reach 500 subscribers, because then I'll have access to the community tab. With the community tab, I'll be able to post quick updates, photos, and even get your input into the kinds of videos you'd like to see on my channel. Yeah, so all this shaky footage is due to the gimbal that I was trying to use. I have rarely used it, and I'm really wanting to get good with it and practice more and more. I am going to Hawaii in a few weeks, and I want to be able to shoot some really great footage. So let me tell you about the Ellis Creek facility. The Ellis Creek facility produces high-quality recycled water through advanced treatment, filtration, and ultraviolet light disinfection. Recycled water is used on site for landscape irrigation, fire protection, plant process water, and toilet flushing. Recycled water is used within the city to offset potable water for irrigation of city parks and 2 golf courses. The water is also used for irrigation of vineyards and other agricultural lands. Methane gas produced in the treatment process is used as fuel for the treatment plant boiler, thus reducing energy costs and greenhouse gas emissions. Part of the wastewater treatment process is the use of polishing wetlands, which are a low-cost way to use natural treatment processes to remove nutrients and metals from the wastewater. Recycled water has already received 2 stages of treatment before reaching the wetlands. The wetlands are home to a wide range of wildlife, including pelicans, egrets, herons, sandpipers, red-tailed hawks, western pond turtles, and marsh wrens. Part of the Ellis Creek facility is an anaerobic digestion system that produces 150,000 gasoline gallon equivalents of renewable natural gas per year from waste processed at the facility. The fuel is used to power trucks used by the city's waste disposal contractor. Pretty cool, huh?
To see the horizon and the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face, all that ever was is a race. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today will
say thank you to everyone who has subscribed to my channel and anyone who watches my videos. I truly, truly appreciate you. And I want you to know that you motivate me to keep going. Sometimes it's really hard to be a new YouTuber because it often feels like you're just shouting into a vacuum. But your comments, your likes, your subscriptions, they all mean the world to me. So thank you so, so much. See you next Wednesday. Bye.